Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to talking about how to use Coinbase Advanced Trading 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download and create an account on Coinbase if you haven't already, which will initiate a identity verification. Take a photo ID or photo of your ID on the front and the back and add your payment method as well. Once you've done that, your account is going to be ready. Then on the account settings, you want to simply go ahead and enable the advanced trade feature. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and discover global pairs like BTC to ETH or SOL, USDC, and so on. And then you can simply go ahead and choose an order type like limit order, stop limit, or bracket order. And you can simply go ahead and input the trade details like the amount of tokens that you want to go ahead and send, and then review order details and confirm your transaction. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.